Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we'll be discussing the best Army Promotion Board prep book with practice test questions. Preparing for the Army Promotion Board can be challenging, but with the right resources, it becomes more manageable. This prep book is designed to help you review key concepts and assess your knowledge through practice test questions. Inside the book, you'll find a comprehensive guide on various topics that are commonly covered in the promotion board. The practice test questions are designed to mimic the types of questions you might encounter during the actual board. By practicing with these questions, you'll be able to familiarize yourself with the format and improve your test-taking skills. Each question is accompanied by a detailed explanation, helping you understand the reasoning behind the correct answer.